A few Saturdays ago, a couple friends and I were looking for something to do. So we grabbed the RC cars, packed the trucks, and met up at one of our favorite RC bashing locations. If you like the content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. But stick around, because when we arrived at the bash spot that day, the jumps had been rebuilt, the air was massive, and we caused straight carnage. And you're not going to want to miss that, so stay tuned.
Are you serious? My body's on the floor. That one's plastic, the one I want. Broken. That's a good one. Welcome to Bash.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.